Hi everyone, welcome to Deez, Cabbies, Dolls, and Toys. I have a special video for you guys today. I have my son Elijah here with me.
Hello.
And we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new My Squishy Little Dumplings. So cute. We have 2 of them. There's 4 in the series. And I got one for each of us. We're going to check them out. And if we really like them, we're probably going to end up getting the other 2 as well. So we're going to unbox these with you guys now. So if you want to see that, stick around.
Deez, Cabbies, Dolls, and Toys.
Welcome back, you guys. So, My Squishy Little Dumplings is something that we've been seeing commercials of. It looks so adorable. They are from a company called Wowee Group. It's not a company that I've ever even heard of before. But from what I've seen, these are adorable. Adorable, adorable. So before we unbox them, we're going to actually take a look at the box itself because you guys know I love packaging and I always want to show you guys the packaging. So we're going to look at the front of the box. You can see there's a window there and your little dumpling is in there. It's supposed to be a surprise of which dumpling you're getting. You're not supposed to know. It's one of those, I guess, blind surprise toys. And there's a little, it looks like a little barcode that says scan here. I don't know what all that's about. It says My Squishy Little Dumplings, mystery accessories inside. Which character will pop out? Can you resist the squish? Squeeze my cheeks, try me. And I tried that actually in the store and nothing happened. And it says pop pop. And then if you turn the box around and look at the back, it says, can you resist the squish? Squeeze their cheeks to reveal their unique personalities. And then it says, play with me. You can squeeze them, shake them, and turn them upside down. And I guess you push something underneath and pop it in, and then you turn them upside down. You can toss them. I don't know. We're gonna check it out though, and we'll see exactly what they're talking about. Squeeze my cheeks. You can get D.Dip and Dough. So I don't know who we're getting, but it's saying that we can get D.Dip and Dough. I'm really excited. You ready to take them out of the box? We're gonna unbox them off camera, and we'll show you what they look like. Okay, so we decided that we were just going to take the plastic wrap off so that you guys could actually get a look at the inside of the box and everything. And Elijah wants me to go first, so I'm going to unbox mine first. So I'm going to take this off. Ooh, okay. It says squeeze my cheeks and my body pops out. And then over here on this side, it shows you everything that you can do. Alright, so let's play. Oh, the box is very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, so I'm going to take this off of here. And so far, it looks like it won't be too much of a production to take it. Did I speak too soon? No, it doesn't actually. Okay, so there's these little ties right here. That I just have to untie. You guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing this. It's not that bad. It would be easier if I didn't have these nails. But, yeah, okay, one's gone. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost there. This isn't really bad at all. I mean, if you think about the dolls that I unbox on a daily basis and what I have to go through to get them all out.
This is better.
Yeah, this is much better. Okay.
And easier.
Yes, much
Simpler.
easier. Thank you. Much easier. Okay. Alright, so let's... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That was unexpected.
Oh my goodness. Look at how cute, you guys.
That was unexpected.
Okay, so Elijah has been reading about this and he's telling me what to do. So what do? I pull down. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Oh, Oh, she's too cute. Okay, and then you squeeze. Oh, this is so cute. Ah. Okay, so this is adorable, you guys. Look at that. And then it says you can shake them. Well, it looks like she's saying the same thing over and over again, but she's very cute. So let's see who she is. Who is this? Who did I get?
Well, I think it's Doe. No, it's not Doe. It's Dee.
It's Dee. Oh my goodness. It's me.
That's a coincidence.
It's me, you guys. That's awesome. I ended up getting Dee. That's great. Oh, this thing is very cute. I really love this. I haven't seen anything like this lately anyways, in recent years. This is very cute. I love it. Okay, Elijah, your turn. Let's see who you have.
Okay. And there it is. So it looks like the instructions are on the inside. This may be a little bit tricky to get out.
Mom, I'm gonna help you. Yeah, Mom will help you with this part.
Okay, that I think I can.
You gonna do it?
I
Okay.
think I can do the rest now.
Okay, go ahead.
I may have some trouble with the rope. Oh,
It's okay. These are really adorable. Oh my goodness, yours is already talking to you. Can't wait to see who you got. Oh, good job. You're getting it done a lot faster than Mommy did.
I don't know. I'm just pulling on the ropes. That's what I'm doing. I mean, that's basically how you untie things.
Basically, yeah. Almost there. You're almost there.
I think I may got it.
Yep, one more. Nope, that one I think is done. Let's see.
Just try and pull it out, I guess. Oh.
Let's see. Here we go. There you go. There you go. Okay, let's see who you got.
These out.
Yeah.
Let's take yours.
Okay, I'll take one out. Go ahead.
Okay, here it is.
Is it working?
Is
Oh. That's adorable. Who did you get?
I'm not sure yet. Actually, I think I'm sure. I think it's Dip.
Dip. This is Dip.
I don't think it may be Dot, but I highly doubt it.
Let me see him. It's definitely Dip. You have Dip. Okay, so this is the thing. They come with accessories. And it says that they come with accessories.
Maybe they're hidden in the packaging, probably.
There they are. Right there.
I knew they were hidden.
So that's a good way to find out who you have too, is by the accessory pack.
It is Dip.
It's Dip.
I can tell. I looked on the back of the box.
Alright, so let's put their accessories on them, and then we'll show our friends the complete Squishy Little Dumplings that we have. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So she has glasses and oh, what happened there? His feet. Her feet. There she is! Look at how cute! She's so cute! Where is she? Where? You know, I wanted to say, I don't remember exactly. No, oh, there it is. Okay. So when you're squeezing the cheeks, you're actually squeezing more like near where the ears would be if they actually had ears. It's more towards the back.
You're not
back
wrong.
here.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely it's not that easy to do, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. It's so cute. But I wanted to say that for, you know, this being an interactive toy and kind of an electronic toy, I don't remember it being very expensive. I want to say around $15. And I think that it's totally worth it. I really
It's
do.
pretty cheap.
Yeah, it is. Do you want to put the accessories on?
Well,
So we can show our friends how he looks complete?
yeah, and that'll make it easier to find where the cheeks are. Probably.
I want to show you guys too. So this is everybody that you can get in this series. You have D, Dot, Dip, and Dough.
Got it. See the star.
That's all 4 of them. And it'll be interesting to see how well this toy does and if it comes out with a second series.
I was just going to say
cute.
that.
You were going to say that?
I was just going to say that. I was like, and they're probably going to come out with a second series. Maybe it's soon.
Maybe you think of like... Yeah, the accessories are a little tricky to keep them on. That's the only thing because there's so much happening. So you're trying to get the accessories on, and then you also have to, you know, get the legs out and everything. So okay.
Wait, okay. That's, I
There you
think.
go. Yeah.
What was that?
Okay.
That's not how glasses work. You squeeze the cheeks.
Oh, and that's okay. And that's how those feet.
Okay.
See, I was doing that wrong too. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
so-
look it. Let them see him. Okay, hold on. Let's put his stand back on him. This is okay. There we go. Okay, feet are out. Yeah, a little FYI, it's
Tricky.
it's a little, yeah.
Like
yeah.
you've said in your previous videos, it's tricky for a kid's toy.
Yes, it is. But they're very cute. Very, very cute. And they're not very expensive. So, I think, you know, just even for me to sit them on my shelf with my other toys, you know, to add to my collection, I think they're cute. And I know that Elijah will definitely play with this little guy.
Oh, and I have a little secret. You probably have heard of this song. It's... Oh,
Yeah, it's tough.
I mean, if you were thinking of cheeks, then where would you... Oh, okay. If you were thinking of cheeks, then what area would you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's back here more, honey. Yeah, that's
the tricky part.
yeah, there we go.
You... do you know what song that was?
What song was that?
I'll give you like 10 seconds. Starting now. Actually, it's 5. Starting now.
I don't know. I don't have any idea. What song is it?
Pop Goes the Weasel.
Oh. Oh, it is! It's Pop Goes the Weasel! Oh, that's so cute! That is so cute. Oh.
And yours has one too.
Yeah?
Listen. I think it's, you...
Yeah. You know, it's cute and the idea is really cute, but it's not that easy to work with. It's really not. And that's disappointing. Because it's...
Okay.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're
I
happy
knew that.
That's what it is. It's very cute. It's a great idea. I love the concept. The art. I think it's adorable. These are very, very cute. I love the accessories. Like I said, the price point's not bad at all, but it's a little frustrating because it's really hard to have all the accessories on and access the cheeks. So when you go to access the cheeks, as you saw, Elijah's accessories just went flying. So I don't know, maybe if they come out with a second edition, they can, you know, kind of address those things. But it's not an overly priced toy, and for what it is, I think it's very cute. What do you think?
I think it's good. And if you turn it upside down, its eyes will close.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, and you can see that from in the packaging. You can even see it. See the I think the batteries are turned off.
Yeah. And that's another thing. So there's an on-off switch back here.
Yep. They conserve battery.
Yeah.
Of course.
So there's a switch in the back, and it comes with batteries in it. So it does require batteries, but the good thing is that it does come with batteries. So.
And we thought that it didn't have batteries, and I heard it was like coin batteries, those really thin batteries.
Yeah.
And like those really thin batteries, and I don't think that we have those. We probably don't. And I was worried until Mom read that they actually came with the batteries inside.
And that's rare. Usually toys don't come with batteries. Not very often. So.
It's disappointing.
Yes, it is. But this was something that was very good. So, I love it. I think it's really cute. I think they need to work on a few things, but other than that, I think it's a really fun toy. And I know mine's definitely I'm gonna find a place for little D in the doll room, and I know Elijah will probably display his in his room. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and review. As always, I had a lot of fun having Elijah here with me. The videos are always more fun when he's here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Say bye to my friends.
Bye.